Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Subsistence Traveling. I'm your host Jay. This video is about the oil tanker stocks. It's called 5 oil tanker stocks for you to buy now. All right, so a little bit about this industry. There's currently a shortage of oil storage space. Given the fight between Saudi Arabia and Russia, there is increased supply, so there's nowhere to store the oil. Okay, there's currently very low valuations and the sector pays very high dividends. Okay, now the criteria used to select the stocks: profitability. All companies on the list are profitable. Valuation, there's good valuations throughout this industry. Liquidity and solvency, that's a challenge to find in this industry, but all of these companies are liquid and solvent. They all pay good dividends. And as far as the fundamentals of the industry, it's very good given the current events. So the first one is Nordic American Tankers, ticker symbol NAT, priced at $4.75. It has a negative price to earnings ratio. Price to book is 1.1, pretty much at book value, and it pays a dividend of 11.79%. All right, so the next one is Frontline, ticker symbol FRO, priced at $10.54. A price to earnings ratio of 13.34, which is very good. Price to book at 1.37, which is just a little bit above book value. And it pays a dividend of 15.18%. Now that's what I like. Next one is Tasaco's Energy Navigation, ticker symbol TNP, priced at $3.32. Price to earnings ratio is negative. Price to book ratio is 0.2, which is very cheap. Means it's trading only at 20% of book value. It pays a dividend of 3.01%. All right, so the next one is SFL Corporation, ticker symbol SFL, priced at $9.47. Price to earnings ratio of 10.09, which is very good. A price to book ratio of 1.02, which is excellent. It's just trading right at book value. And it pays a dividend of 14.78%. Okay. All right, so this one is DHT Holdings, ticker symbol DHT, priced at $7.95. A price to earnings ratio of 16.38, which is almost fair value. A price to book of 1.25, which is just a little bit above book value. And it pays a dividend of 16.1%. Now that's what I like. All right, so my final thoughts. Now, these oil tanker stocks are among the best opportunities in this market, okay? A lot of times these are up 10 to 20% each day since the crisis started. One thing to keep in mind is this is a very cyclical sector, and the companies have very high debt loads. The companies on this list, their debt loads are, reasonable, but typically in the sector has very high debt loads. But one good thing though is they have very low dollar prices in this sector, so it's easy for you to start a position, and it doesn't take a lot of money for you to initiate a position. Okay, and you can make good returns. Last but not least, this sector provides great risk reward balance in your portfolio, especially in this environment where you're taking lots of risk. You want to make sure you're compensated with a good reward, and when I say a good reward, I mean good yield, so that's basically what I think. All right, well guys, I hope I was able to share some useful information with you guys. I hope that you like, share, and subscribe. And as I always say, peace to all.